Ignite your engines, you're on the grid with Motor Maven. Today we're zooming into a mid-sized truck that's causing quite a stir, and not in a good way. The GMC Canyon might catch your eye with its bold design and rugged towing power, but don't be fooled by appearances. Beneath the surface, this truck has some serious flaws that you just can't ignore. If you're thinking of splurging on this ride, it's time to pump the brakes. In this video, we'll explore the top reasons why the GMC Canyon might not be the best choice for your garage. Buckle up, because these 7 reasons are deal breakers for many potential buyers. Number 7. Rough ride quality. Brace for impact. First on our list is the GMC Canyon's rough ride quality, a major disappointment for many buyers. Despite excelling off-road, the Canyon's stiff suspension, designed for trails and ground clearance, makes daily driving uncomfortable. On city roads, every bump and pothole becomes painfully noticeable, making it one of the bumpiest rides in its class. Sure, trucks are meant to be tough, but the Canyon takes it too far. Even the Chevy Colorado, its lower-priced twin, shares this issue, though it's more forgivable at that price point. For the premium cost of the Canyon, GM should have balanced off-road capability with on-road comfort. Sadly, they didn't, leaving daily drivers with an unnecessarily harsh experience. Number 6. Cramped rear seats. Your passengers will complain. Next, let's step inside. While the front seats of the Canyon offer a roomy, comfortable experience, it's a different story for those stuck in the back. Rear seat passengers are met with a measly 34.7 inches of legroom, barely enough space for a comfortable ride. To make matters worse, the upright seating position forces rear passengers into an awkward posture, with their legs crunched and their backs pressed up against stiff, vertical seat backs. If you frequently carry passengers in the back, especially adults, this is not the truck for you. Competing models like the Honda Ridgeline and even the budget-friendly Ford Maverick provide significantly more comfort. For a truck at the Canyon's price point, the lack of attention to rear seat comfort is puzzling. It feels like an afterthought, and if you're using this as a family vehicle or need to transport people often, the cramped rear space is a big strike against it. Number 5. Disappointing bed size, not built for serious work. Now let's talk about the truck bed, a critical feature for any truck buyer. Sadly, the GMC Canyon falls short here too, literally. With just 5 feet of bed space, it's one of the shortest in the midsize truck category. Competitors like the Ford Ranger and Toyota Tacoma offer more bed length, making the Canyon feel less practical for serious haulers. Even the Honda Ridgeline, known for its car-like unibody construction, offers more room in the bed department. If you need to carry large loads like construction materials or bulky equipment, the Canyon's limited cargo space will be a headache. For a truck that demands a premium price, you'd expect better utility, but the bed size makes it hard to justify choosing this model if work or heavy-duty tasks are on your agenda. Before we venture further, we'd appreciate it if you could hit that like and subscribe button. This supports us in connecting with more auto aficionados just like you. Now let's change lanes and navigate towards our next point. Reason number 4, turbocharged engine worries. Long-term reliability concerns. The Canyon's 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers an impressive 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, with a towing capacity of 7,700 pounds. On paper, it sounds great, but in practice, this engine works overtime, which could lead to reliability issues over time. Smaller turbocharged engines often face more wear and tear, especially when towing heavy loads. To make matters worse, the Canyon's fuel economy, 18 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway, lags behind. Competitors like the Nissan Frontier, with its larger 3.8-liter V6, offer similar fuel efficiency without stressing the engine. For those concerned about long-term durability and maintenance costs, the Canyon's powertrain raises red flags. Number 3, fuel economy, not impressive for a midsize. Let's talk about fuel efficiency, or lack thereof. The GMC Canyon's EPA rating of 18 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway is simply underwhelming. In a world where efficiency is king, especially with gas prices rising, you'd expect more from a truck in this category. Competitors like the Ford Ranger manage to offer similar power, but with slightly better fuel economy. And if we bring the hybrid Toyota Tacoma into the equation, the Canyon falls flat in comparison. For those who prioritize fuel savings, the Canyon's gas mileage makes it a tough sell. One of the key advantages of a turbocharged four-cylinder engine should be its efficiency, but GMC hasn't lived up to expectations. In the end, this truck's fuel consumption might drain your wallet more than you'd like. Number 2, tech features, lacking for the price. You'd think that with a price tag hovering around $40,000, the GMC Canyon would be loaded with cutting-edge tech. Sadly, that's not the case. While it does have a decent infotainment system and some safety features, it's still far behind the competition. Trucks like the Honda Ridgeline and Ford Ranger offer more advanced technology, larger and more intuitive displays, and better integration of modern features. To make matters worse, the Canyon doesn't come with many of the driver assistance technologies that are becoming standard in this class, such as adaptive cruise control or automatic emergency braking. For a truck this expensive, you'd expect more tech sophistication. Ultimately, the Canyon feels outdated, and its competitors are providing far more value for a similar or even lower price. Number 1, price, it just doesn't add up. At the end of the day, the biggest issue with the GMC Canyon is its price. Starting at around $40,000, it's one of the most expensive midsize trucks on the market. But when you consider all the shortcomings, poor ride quality, cramped rear seats, subpar tech, and disappointing fuel efficiency, it's hard to justify that hefty price tag. The Chevy Colorado, which is essentially the same truck, costs less and offers nearly identical performance. In this price range, you could also consider full-size trucks like the Ford F-150 or Chevy Silverado, which offer more capability for the money. The Canyon's price is its biggest downfall, making it a tough recommendation when the competition offers more bang for your buck. Verdict: better options out there. So where does that leave us? The GMC Canyon isn't a bad truck, it's just not the best. In a competitive market, it simply can't keep up with rivals like the Ford Ranger, Toyota Tacoma, or even its sibling, the Chevy Colorado. Whether it's the rough ride, cramped interior, or lackluster tech, the Canyon just doesn't offer enough to stand out, especially considering its premium price. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on the GMC Canyon? Have you had any experiences with this truck, good or bad? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to Motor Maven for all the latest vehicle updates and upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.